East Tower, Skyhawk 220 Whiskey Charlie, 1,500 feet above the blimp, inbound 26 right, information kilo.
November 220 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, unable to runway 26 right, fly southbound, intercept the left downwind, runway 26 left.
Rough downwind 26 left, 220 Whiskey Charlie.
Catalina Air 91, Long Beach Tower, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up boys, 26 left, Captain.
Left at Foxtrot 4, contact ground.
That's Foxtrot, contact ground to Whiskey Charlie. Long Beach Tower, 7551, Lima, Florida, 26 left, delivery.
Catalina 91, runway 26 left, press takeoff.
Takeoff 26 left, Captain.
Press 1 through Lima, standby. Icon 9 Bravo Alpha, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up with 26 left, runway 9 Bravo Alpha.
Long Beach Tower, November 4905, Papa Lima, and Maverick request Title 7 information kilo.
Your number 25 up Lima, standby. Helicopter 66 Alpha, 6 feet outbound on the west Wardlow, and depart from airport.
Yeah, they are super busy right now.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Press on 644, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, line up and wait. Icon 9 Bravo Alpha, runway 26 left, press takeoff. Press takeoff 26 left, 9 Bravo Alpha. Press 35 Victor Stockholm, enable, and then base with the 605.
We're going to just straight out Park Supervisor.
Oh yeah, that's true, and then RV2 Hotel Victor, contact ground, Lima 4.
Long Beach Tower, 6137 Quebec, over the 9165 change, requesting 6 left with information kilo.
First 6137 Quebec, Long Beach Tower, right base, Long Beach 605, running 26 left.
Right base, 605. Long Beach Tower, 119er Foxtrot Romeo, we're 4 miles west, inbound kilo 26 left, and we have 0 Whiskey Charlie tight.
Line 644, runway 30, cliff takeoff. That's 419er Foxtrot Romeo, Long Beach Tower, downwind entry to runway 26 left.
Downwind 26 left, 9er Foxtrot Romeo. Zero Whiskey Charlie, traffic ahead, flight.
Zero Whiskey Charlie, roger. Icon 9 Bravo Alpha 3 Delta, make a left turn at the river.
We'll make a left turn at the river for 39 Bravo Alpha.
41, try SoCal 1 or 360.7 if you're still monitoring. 360.7.
Boys, 40, 1,500 feet, approaching the 19.5, south of Lane 6 left, 6 below.
Red Barn 644, can I convert you?
Order departure, Red Barn 644.
November 434 down, Long Beach Tower, right base, Long 605, runway 26 left.
Right base, 605, 6 left, 0. Frequency change, 35 Victor.
Frequency change, good day.
Have a good day, 35 Victor.
Runway 30, cliff takeoff.
30 Cliff, takeoff, Bravo, show, 32.
5 Papa Lima, departure from Maverick will be at ground rest at top of the tower. Okay. 5 Papa Lima, hold south of the tower, departure from Maverick will be at your unrest.
Helicopter 4905, Papa Lima, take up a Maverick, review on my risk.
Horizontal power. Horizontal power.
1470, Long Beach Tower, runway 30.
Okay.
Good land feature. Yeah, she said the horizontal tower.
Fly direct to an
Yeah, okay. Can I pick up?
Pick up.
26 left, good land 37 back.
Direct to the numbers, November 3 cliff Quebec.
Direct to the number. 26 left, good land 37 back.
Left to the Whiskey Charlie, right, make a base at the 605.
Base at the 605, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
need you to runway 26 right, 26 back down, make a right base, runway 26 right, and I might turn you a little earlier.
Second right base, 26 right, 240.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Delta 9 Fox Romeo, base 605.
Base 605, 9 Foxtrot Romeo. Keep tower, keep now, keep Charlie, hold short of 2 over Foxtrot 1 for departure left turn river.
Yeah.
Stand by. Delta 13 Lima, make a left turn at the river, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Take a left turn at the river.
Light left.
26 left, 1 Lima.
Southwest 1732, keep the climb going up to 3,000. There's traffic at your 11 o'clock, about 3.5 miles. Cessna slow moving at 2,000 southbound. Contact SoCal departure.
Over departure, climb at 3,000, Southwest 1732.
Hold south of the tower?
Yep.
Okay.
November 340, turn to final, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Go land, 26 right, 240.
How high are you looking for?
Southwest 1732, contact SoCal departure.
Height?
Yeah, what's altitude are you looking for?
Zero Whiskey Charlie,
500?
now,
Yeah.
runway 26 left, clear to land.
Running base,
You need
26
a
left,
60
clear
knot under 500.
Charlie.
Okay.
Sorry about that. 126 for 5 miles west of the field, 1,000, inbound 26 left with kilo. November 126 for uniform, Long Beach Tower, left downwind entry, runway 26 left, proceed eastbound now. Proceed eastbound now, and enter left downwind, runway 26 left, 126.4.
Long Beach Tower, November 304 Echo, 1,600.
Okay, what speed are you looking for the circle?
Inbound with
60?
Okay.
Okay.
Cessna 304 Echo, Long Beach
Slow
Tower,
down.
left downwind entry, runway 26 left.
left downwind entry, 26 left, point Echo.
November 37 Quebec, no delay to the end. Contact ground when you're clear.
No delay to the end, 37 Quebec.
That's the 340, if you can, just make a note.
Okay, Joseph, do you know why we need to hold the south? What's the reason?
Because of the traffic. Heavy traffic.
Okay. Turn your base now.
Okay, where's the traffic?
Clear to land.
The runway 30.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
All right, tighten up the S-turn.
That's the expectation.
Expectation. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. There's the airplane is a show final, right?
Yeah.
Now you can expect the cross runway.
Okay.
Very soon.
Runway 30, clear to land. Hold short of runway 26, right traffic.
95 Delta, VFR, miss to the south.
Just a 95 Delta, you got to tell me that on the initial
Yeah,
call
you
next
just said
time.
touchdown.
Cancel
Yeah.
landing clearance, turn southbound prior to
But we have a
runway
long
30.
traffic departing.
Prior to 30, 95 Delta. 66 Alpha.
November 66 Alpha, frequency change approved.
66 Alpha.
Helicopter 5 Papa Lima, where are you now?
Okay, the half mile south of the tower.
Okay, having trouble with the radar. 5 Papa Lima, continue inbound, pad 2, 3, or 4.
Pass 3.
But for
Pad 4, clear to land. Helicopter 4905 Papa Rima.
Alpha 1417, ready kilo, contact ground.
Kilo ground, Southwest 1417.
Helicopter 5 Papa Lima, pad 4, clear to land.
but for clear to land, 5 Papa Lima. Okay, now you're cleared.
Okay.
That's the 340, follow the traffic at your 12 o'clock and a half mile there inbound as well.
Okay, normal approach to Pat 4.
Normal approach
To Pat 4.
48 Echo,
Pad 4.
follow the traffic at your 12 o'clock and about a half a mile, they're also on the downwind entry.
Traffic site, we're following 48 Echo.
That's the 0 Whiskey Charlie, contact ground, Foxtrot 4.
Foxtrot 4, contact ground, 0 Whiskey.
That's the 340, left kilo 2, contact ground.
So,
Kilo 2, contact ground.
where is the target for the downwind?
Helicopter 5 Papa Lima,
Downwind?
transponder, I'm not receiving it.
Okay, let me try to recycle.
Recycle.
Yeah, no. Where is the target? Because you are way off. Now, can you see the airplane?
Yeah.
You're very close.
Very
No,
close.
this is a P road. This is your
downwind.
target.
Okay.
Okay.
Approach 125.35.
Thank you.
Southwest 185, Long Beach Tower traffic, landing downfield the helipad, runway 30, line up and wait.
30, line up and wait, Southwest 185.
Not for clear to now.
Bad for clip.
I'm not telling.
Okay.
Yeah, because you are way high.
Long Beach Tower Copter
And I'm just wondering you are trying to hold.
Hold.
Okay, no, actually, you 300.
Guard
16 on.
727
Here,
Long Beach
final,
Tower,
right?
East 4
Okay.
is approved, report 1 mile from the field.
Recycle one more time.
No. Recycle the transponder.
Transporter.
Guard 727.
I thought it is
report 1
hold
mile
east
from
of the
the
tower.
field.
Hold east of the running 30.
1 mile to the field, and we have ATIS information, Kilo Copter 727.
Air is too high.
Foxtrot Romeo, left turn, Foxtrot 4, contact ground.
Contact ground, Foxtrot 4, 9er, Foxtrot Romeo.
Cessna 2 Whiskey Charlie, what was your request?
Oh.
Cessna 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Hey, Joseph, I have control. Okay,
Yeah,
why you didn't descend? Tell me why. You are very high. Why you not descend like this?
Hey, Southwest 185, runway 30.
Yeah, I'm just wondering why.
Alright, ma'am, runway 30, clear for takeoff, Southwest 185.
I just, if I approaching for the pad 4,
We're at 26 left, Foxtrot 1.
Yeah.
yeah, I always setting for the manifold pressure for 15.
Okay, no movement from the 15?
Yeah.
Cessna 64,
that's totally wrong.
Runway 26 left, clear
So-
land.
So,
Copy, copy, runway 26 left, clear
Okay,
for left,
let's talk.
support uniform.
okay.
That's the Ford Echoes number 2, runway 26
So
left,
you understand that you are high, right?
Yeah, we are so high.
So that you have to descend.
Okay.
But you didn't do it